Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to BONK update. We're trading at 2460. It has been a downtrend, and I think we have a pending target of 2200. We're very close to our normal target of BONK, as I showed you in so many videos before. So if you wonder where 2200 is actually coming from, it is coming from this particular break. Now for some reason it actually does look like even right now the price that you're trading in is a support, because this is resistance, that is a resistance, this is a resistance again, and that is resistance as well. And the fact that you're coming down here it actually looks as if this is becoming a support. So the question is, are we going to see a bounce off from here? Maybe. So what are the EMAs doing right now? So let's actually check the EMA. Okay, the EMA is different here. What about the daily EMA? Because maybe if the daily EMAs are going to hold up, we could have a nice chance of looking at relief. Okay, so the 55 on the daily, the blue line that you actually see, is almost we're almost like holding the blue line right now, but there could be a chance of actually touching 2200 before we do not actually start to move to the upside. One thing that can actually help us understand the next big support is the fib retracement. So if we take the fibs bottom here to the top, yeah, so 0.5, it actually looks like we could be heading to 0.5 department, which is 2165, and then from here I actually think we might just start to bounce off a little bit, because this trend line, the neckline that you see of this support and resistance, we can still tweak it a little bit, and we could even do it like this as well. Okay, and that would also be correct, because even if we actually leave it like this, you can see it comes down to 2165, 0.5 on the fib, and it's also going to be this little bit of a support line going on. So basically that is something that I do see, and I do expect to see BONK to maybe have a little bit of a reaction to go to the upside. Now there is another opinion that we could even bounce off the 0.618. Even if it comes to 1863, it won't be bad. But if you start to go below 1863, then you probably could be looking at 1146 as your first target, and if you lose that as well, then 870 could be your next big purchasing power. And if it comes to 830, 870s, I mean, that's going to be a huge discount, because we're coming from almost 4,000, and from 4,000 to 800 is an incredible discount, of course. So for me, the deadline is honestly going to be 1863. So if you ever go to 1863, you must bounce off here. Otherwise, be ready and be prepared for 1146 or maybe 890. So that's it for this update on BONK today, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love.